What's up, guys? Welcome to Classy's Garage. It is Thursday during the week. I'm gonna knock out a small little mod here, but I almost wasn't going to film this, but I kind of want to share it with you because the quality is just so badass. So I ordered a set of the Meso Custom doors. They cover the chrome that you have, but these are special, kind of hard to get. Don't come around very often. These are CoopsCustoms1221. Let me make sure. Yeah. So these come from CoopsCustoms1221. He takes them and he engraves them. And if you look, they're just badass engraved with Topo. So I'm going to get them on there. I'm going to show you guys how it's done. I'm going to get you on the bench real quick because I kind of want to show you up close how awesome these look. All right, so real quick, here's everything that I got in my package. So I didn't reach out to him beforehand, let him know who I was or any of those things. Not like I'm that important or anything like that, but I didn't tell him anything about my YouTube channel. And I got a pack of Pop Rocks, which is, you know, pretty badass. Got a card, and this little thing is pretty cool. It has a little hook, and then if you come, it comes out of here. Sorry about my hands all dirty. I was just rotating tires. But, you know, to like clean your sunglasses and stuff, which is cool. And then a thank you card. But check this out, guys. You guys got to see these. I did. Look at these up close. Look at how sick those are. I don't know about you, but I'm like a Topo craze lately. It's going nuts for Topo. Man, those are nice. Like, just nicely done. Check that out. It's got like a little bit of a tan kind of going on, so it's going to look really good in the truck. But all right, that's enough me drooling over these things. Let's go get them installed. Bam. Tom, I just want to kind of show you how easy this is again. So I find that the easiest, man, this is so dirty. I gotta clean. The easiest way to do it for me is like to pop this out, kind of slide this whole thing in, and let it, see how it just went right in. Clips in. It's just an overlay, but man, look how sick that looks. Alright everyone, super quick. I really appreciate you guys watching. Coops Customs, you killed it. Things look great. I love that they don't stick out too much in the truck, but you can just kind of notice it. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, guys. You guys be safe out there.